At some point, most air conditioning systems reach the stage where replacement starts to make more sense than another repair. If the system is aging, unreliable, or just not keeping the house comfortable the way it used to, that conversation is worth having. But a good installation isn't just about swapping in a new outdoor unit. Every part of the system, indoor and outdoor, needs to work together to cool the home properly. At Pristine Air Heating and Cooling, that's where the process starts. Before any equipment is recommended, the home itself needs to be assessed. That means looking at the size and layout of the house, the existing ductwork and airflow, the indoor air handler or coil, the thermostat setup, and the condition of what's already there. The goal is to recommend a system that fits the home, not just one, that fits the space where the old unit sat. Sizing is one of the most important decisions in a replacement. A system that's too small will run constantly and still struggle to keep up. A system that's too large will short cycle, turn on and off more frequently than it should, remove less humidity from the air, and wear out faster than a properly sized system. Getting the size right is what makes the equipment perform the way it's supposed to. The indoor equipment matters just as much. A new outdoor condenser won't perform the way it's designed to if it's paired with an old or mismatched indoor coil or air handler. The two components are engineered to work as a matched system. Ductwork is another major factor, and one that's easy to overlook. If the ducts are undersized, leaking, restricted, or poorly balanced, even a properly sized new system can leave certain rooms too warm or too stuffy. That's why a replacement should start with a clear home assessment and a written estimate, not a quick recommendation based on the outdoor unit alone. You should know exactly what equipment is being recommended, what parts of the system are included in the scope, and what to expect on installation day. A quality installation leaves the system set up to cool properly, drain correctly, communicate with the thermostat, and move air through the home the way it was designed to. Those aren't extras, they're the standard. And when the work is done, you should be able to feel the difference. If your AC is aging, breaking down more often, or just not keeping up with the summer heat, it may be time to have someone take a proper look. Give Pristine Air a call or schedule online. We'll review your system and give you an honest picture of whether repair or replacement makes more sense for your home.